Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your hide likes option missing. Alright, so let's say you want to hide the amount of likes you have on your post, but you don't see the option. Well, it's not missing, it's just like you don't know how to use it. Like there's two ways to use it, and in some phone only one way is available, in other phone is only one way is available, or like in a region only one way. Alright, you kind of understand what I'm trying to say? I'm just going to show you both of the way, and if both of the way doesn't work, then I'm going to be showing you other way on how you guys can activate that option. Alright, but before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. Now let's move on. First step, you click on the photo whose like count you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide this photo's like count. What I can do is click on the three dot at the top and click on versus hide like count. If I click on it, the like count on this video will be hidden. Alright, that's one way to do it. But let's say you want to do it for every single photo, or you don't see the option over here. Just like in my screen it showed me, but in yours it didn't. What you can do is go on your profile, click on the three dot at the top or three line, and click on versus setting. And in setting, go on versus privacy. And on privacy versus posts, click on it, and you can see where it says hide like and view count. You can turn it on. Once you do that, for every single photo, the like number is going to be hidden for other people. You can still see your likes because it's your account. So you can click on view like to see the amount of like, but other people, they can't see your like count, right? Only you can see it. And you can only hide likes on your post. You can't just go to a random person's account to hide their like count. It's only available for your post. So let's say you don't see both of this option. What you can do is go on App Store. Once you go on App Store or Play Store, whichever phone you're using, you want to search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, if it says update over here, you need to click on update, but mine says open, which means my Instagram is up to date. And even after updating your Instagram, if it still didn't fix, you can go on Instagram, you can click on the three line at the top, go on setting, and you can go on help. You can go and report a problem, click on report problem without shaking, and over here you want to write this: my hide like count option is missing, can you help me fix it please? And at the top you can see the next button, click on it, and this report will be sent it to Instagram staff. They'll view it and they'll help you fix your problem. Alright, so yeah, these are the way on how you guys can fix your Instagram hide like option missing. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.